Welcome to Rise of Kingdoms. The journey of your civilization starts here. From the depths of obscurity to the peaks of legend, you will be the author of your civilization's history.
My enemies.
From a barren land, engulfed in the flames of war, our people eventually arrived here. A new world full of hope and possibilities. We camp, we explore, we hunt, and we protect each other from great danger. Here our people stand, and the destiny of civilization lies in your hands. Rise of Kingdoms!
Welcome, Governor. As your counselor, I will do my best to offer help to you. Our people have been living a nomadic life for a long time. But since we discovered this new land, everything suddenly seems full of hope and possibilities. Now, starting from this small city, we will eventually create a great civilization of our own on this land. Knowing the needs of your people is the first step towards prosperous development. Our people can't survive without food. We need to build a farm first to ensure the food supply in city. Collecting food here. Reliable food supply is the guarantee of citizens' daily life and the key to our future development.
Help! Please help us! Barbarians are attacking my village! It's not far from here. Please, do something!
Governor, let's go out of the city and take a look.
This village looks vulnerable. Let's take all the food and burn this place.
It's a shame, but we cannot help them without troops. The only thing we can do for now is harbor their refugees.
That was even easier than I imagined. Let's move. Another village is not far away.
It's dangerous here. Let's return to the city. The barbarians may come back at any time. We urgently need to train our own troops. Well done. Next, we need to upgrade the wall to reinforce the city defenses. Now we have an army, but an outstanding commander is the real key to victory. A tavern will allow us to recruit talented people. Open this golden chest and see who we may meet.
I fight for my lost freedom and my outraged daughters.
Tap here to search for barbarians.
How dare you! I promise you that you will regret this!
Punishment must be delivered. We can't go back. We must fight to the death.
You fools want to stand in our way? Then it's time for you to die.
Select the new target to assist our ally.
You just got lucky this time. Wait and see. We'll be back soon.
I have to say that you are the bravest person I have ever seen. Please allow me to join your army and fight alongside you.
Hey there, wanna play a game?
Governor, you proved yourself to be a distinguished leader through that impressive performance. You are the people's hero. The barbarians have been temporarily driven away, but we still have to hurry to strengthen our military. Governor, please follow the quest to build your city. It seems that our efforts have paid off. Some villagers decided to join us to confront the threats together.
Governor, we have profound knowledge of this mysterious land, which makes us the perfect scout candidates.
Build a scout camp to manage your scouts.
Please, send me to explore this mysterious land.
The scout will automatically explore this area. You will be notified if he makes any discoveries. Now let's get back to the city and continue our work there. Even the greatest people need the support of allies, and this is why we need to find an alliance to join. Great job, Governor. You have joined a big family. Now let me introduce Alliance's related functions to you. Here is the Alliance's profile, and this is the tag of Alliance. Various features of the Alliance is showcased here. Switch tabs here to check members, Alliance list, rankings, and Alliance settings. Please remember, when you are helping your allies are also helping you. This is the key to a strong alliance. Staying together sometimes is not a bad idea. Let's check the position of our alliance leader. Then use Beginner's Teleport to teleport your city near here. VIP points can be claimed once each day. The VIP points you get each day increase based on the number of consecutive days you've logged in. Increasing your VIP level can provide a number of great benefits to governors. Every day, you can claim one VIP free chest, whose contents get better as your VIP level increases. Each new VIP level unlocks a corresponding special bundle, some of which contain legendary commander statues. The upgrade would normally take 5 minutes, but we can use items to speed up the building process.
I fight for my lost freedom. We must conquer or die!
There are many different items you may acquire from time to time. Click here to view your complete inventory. These resource items are protected, even when your city is sacked. Use them wisely to boost development or recover from a war.
My enemies will... We must conquer or die!
Every commander has their own talent tree, and they will receive new talent points every time they level up. You can assign... Besides, you can always use items to reset commander's talent tree.
I fight. We must conquer or die!
There are 5 kinds of resource points on this rich land: cropland, logging camp, stone deposit, gold deposit, and gem deposit. You can send your troops to gather resources at any time. And remember, siege unit is always the best choice.
Hey there! Wanna play a game? A new adventure!
Governor. The storage can protect some of your resources from plunder. Hence, it is very important to upgrade storage to increase the resource protection capacity. Our city is fast developing under your brilliant leadership, and now we are about to enter a brand new era. After a successful upgrade of our city hall, the Great Bronze Age shall finally arrive.
Shoot arrow, a new adventure.